First up, the regulars. AR, ER, and IR verbs all have the same ending, so that's going to make it really easy for you when you go to conjugate these verbs. You've got 3 steps. First, dejar el infinitivo. That just means leave the infinitive. The infinitive is the verb, the AR, ER, or IR verb, unchanged or unconjugated. It hasn't been changed to tell who is doing it, so it just has the ER, AR, IR ending. Step 2, poner la terminación, or add the ending. And then step 3, step back and admire your handiwork because you're done. So, what are the endings? Yo is E with an accent, pronounced E. Tú is as. Él, ella, usted is a. Nosotros is hemos. And ellos, ellas is han. One thing to remember about these is the accents. The yo, tú, él, ella, usted, and ellos forms all have accents on the vowels. The nosotros form does not have an accent. So remember, accents in all forms except the nosotros. Next thing to remember, you'll notice that the yo and the nosotros forms both use e's as the main vowel, while tú, él, ella, usted, and ellos use a as the main vowel. So remember, if you're talking about yourself, you're going to be using the e in your conjugations. An example, hablaré con la clase mañana. I will speak with the class tomorrow. If I wanted to say you will speak, I would just change that e with an accent to an as, and it would be hablarás. So once again, very simple. Step 1, leave the infinitive. Step 2, add the ending to the end. So you don't take anything off, you just add the ending.